Happy birthday! Just kidding. But welcome back to video 2. It's time to get to work in the journal. I know you already have your things ready. Journal, pencil, crayons. Now, what are we going to do? Watch this teacher video to draw, color, and complete the sentence stem. Read it with me. Here we go. I learned in blank. They celebrate by blank. I know you know how we celebrate here in Texas, in Elgin, in the United States. I don't want you to tell me a fact about you. I want you to tell me about other countries. How do they celebrate over there? What did you learn today about other people's traditions? I put some reminders here to help you know what were those other countries we were talking about today. Japan, Netherlands, Mexico, Denmark, Sweden, China, Russia, Ireland, and Nepal. All of those countries were in our Pebble Go facts. But you might have forgotten. What did they do in Japan? What was in China? You can go back to my video 1 to see those facts if you need to. Or I put some pictures here to remind you. We have Japan. Here, they wear new clothes. The Netherlands, they don't have cake, remember? They're blowing out candles for breakfast on their pancakes. We do have cake. A lot of other countries also have cake with candles. In Ireland, they put you on your head for good luck. Mexico, dale, 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 it's piñata time. In Russia, they have a game, cutting off the line. And in Denmark, remember the gifts are on the floor by your bed, so when you wake up, you find them. These aren't all the facts you heard today. There was some more. China noodles. In Nepal, the yogurt on your head. We learned so many great facts. You are going to write me just one. Everybody, get your journal, get your pencil. I'll help us get started with our sentence stem. Then we'll go to finish it and to illustrate and color. But let's get started together. We always begin on a new clean page with today's date. Give me a 3 for March, 29 for today, in the year 2021. Save your spot right here for your drawing. That's where you will draw and color how the other people in other countries celebrate their birthdays. Here we're going to start writing. Get your first line, get your pencil, repeat and write with me. I. First letter of the sentence, it better be a capital letter I. Finger space. Learned. O. E. Earn. E-D says D. I learned. Finger space. In. Blank. Save that for what country you are writing about today. In Mexico, in Denmark, in Netherlands, in Ireland, in Russia. Here in this yellow box are all those countries from the Pebble Go slides. In just a minute, when you go to complete your work, you will put right here what country you are telling me about today. I learned in blank. They celebrate by blank. Let's go with the word they. Repeat, they. A, Y on the end. They, finger space. We're not talking about us, we're talking about them. They, what do? Celebrate. Sound it out and write it. Se, le, b-b-b-r. A, t. Celebrate. Finger space. By. B, Y. By. Read it with me. What do we have? I learned in blank. They celebrate by blank. Wherever your sentence does end, it needs a period. But this one might be a little longer. You have to fill in. I learned in Japan. They celebrate by wearing new clothes. I learned in China. They celebrate by eating learned in Ireland. They celebrate by putting you on your head. First blank, where? Second blank, how do they celebrate? But first, you can go draw first. Take your pencil, take your crayons, come look at these pictures to get an idea. Or go back to video 1 to see all the facts and draw one. Everyone needs a picture like one of these birthday celebrations. Lots of color. And then write what country did you learn about? And what did they do to celebrate birthdays in that country? 2 blanks to fill in for me, and 1 beautiful birthday picture. And don't forget to add your color. When your journal has a date, a picture, lots of color, a beautiful sentence with a capital letter I to begin, a country you studied today, and how they celebrate birthdays. At the end, ding dong, always gotta have the period. When you are proud of your work today, read it, make sure it makes sense, then take a picture and turn it in to your teacher on Google Classroom. Nice job today, and happy birthday! I'll see you birthday babies tomorrow.